Good morning, everyone. Thank you for coming to this important gathering here at our barangay. Today, we come together not just as voters, but as responsible citizens of our community. Our purpose is to discuss and debate the upcoming mayoral election, an event that will shape the future of our barangay. Each candidate promises change, progress, and a better life for all of us. But as voters, it's our duty to question, to listen, and to think critically before making our choice. Today, we will hear different perspectives. Some of us support one candidate, others believe in another. That is the beauty of a democracy, the power of choice. Let us engage in a discussion with respect, wisdom, and an open mind. Because at the end of the day, our goal is not just to argue, but to ensure that our barangay and our families will have a leader who truly listens and serves.
Mga kaigsuunan, we need a real change in our city. The current mayor has failed to address corruption. We need someone who listens to the people.
Change kamo rin nagingon na, but under this administration, we have seen progress. Roads are being built, business are growing. Why risk it?
Both of you have points, but let's talk facts.
As a journalist, I've seen both sides. The issue is accountability. Our leaders should answer to the people.
Accountability, sabihin mo yan sa mga opisyal na binaliwala kaming mga driver. Tumataas na mga presyo sa gas at wala namang suporta sa mga maliliit trabahador kagaya ko.
Exactly, the working class suffers while the politician gets richer. We need a leader who truly serves the massa.
I understand your anger, but governance isn't just about emotions. We need leaders with experience. Hindi na kayo puro reklamo.
History has taught us that power corrupts, whether old or new leaders, without checks and balances, may tabog hapon ang pag-abuso.
But for someone like me, a first-time voter, how do I know who to trust? Everyone saying different things.
Sakto ka. I'm a single mother and I feel the lack of social programs. We need a government that prioritizes ordinary people.
Why social media is so powerful, but dapat kay fake news. We should be careful.
So, ato niyan atong debate. So, we need that speech from the mayor. So, first, Mr. Tonaldo.
So una sa tanan, ganahan ko magpasalamat sa inyong pag-ari. Ayaw kalimot, Liconalya, ibutar para sa kalambuan sa atong katilingban. Salamat.
Mga kaigsunan, ayaw kalimutan ang inyong butaran si Monteo. Amo ni ang ganti sa inyong mga suporta ug daghang salamat sa pag-ari. Daghang salamat kaninyo. Salamat. Salamat. Bobo.
Oh boy. Klaro ka dili patas tawa. Oh, ya tagal korta.
So ano ang gadlok kan ron? Anay vote buying.
Ni klaro nang
Ay ayo.
Ay ko na buto na daghang ganaw.
Daghang salamat sa iyong pag-ari o pagsuporta sa atong mga mayor. So, give a round of applause. So, karon, voting day na.
This is it. The future of Cebu City is on our hands. I hope everyone vote wisely.
Grabe ang init, pero at least makabutar ko karon.
This is what democracy looks like. Every vote counts, even the elders are here. Naman daw nagkalat na storya nga naday na malit kung boto.
If this is true, then this election is already compromised.
Kadawat ko sa kwarta, pero butar gyapon ko sa gusto nako.
So, ato lang nang ihilom kay wala man sa ebidensya. So, karon mag-start na ta sa atong voting. kuan para dili mo masayop dira. So, vote wisely. Mga kaigsuunan, salamat sa inyong pasensya. After counting all the votes, we officially declare that the new mayor is Honorable AJ Montejo.
Bay, pili ang kandidato tuga. Pero at least we fought for what we believe in.
Daog man siya.
Bayran man.
Well, daw akong kandidato. Ano na tog sulbaron nila ang ilang gipangsaan.
Whether we won or lost, the real fight begins now. We need to hold our leader accountable.
Sakto! Bisan kinsa ang idaog, if they fail us, we have a right to demand better services.
Democracy isn't about election. It's about active participation all year round.
Dili mo Jennifer, kada nga naman itong boto. Aray, kita nung ha.
Mo yan ang giingon. Ang kwarta nakapili sa kamatuoran.
Madiman ka na eh. We need answers. We cannot let corruption wins. Diba?
Sama nay.
Wait, hindi man yung kandidato. Ano sige na magreklamo? Di ba kamo gusto ang ginaan ng demokrasya?
Nagmahay na po, anong gikuha ito na kong kwarta. So, congratulations for our mayor. So, final speech for our mayor, AJ Montejo.
Mga sagwaanod, daghang salamat sa inyong pagsalig. Ug akong isa ninyo ang alang sa atong katilingkod. Daghang salamat kaninyo tanan.
Mayor. Dahan ka nangutan na ba? Tinuod ba na vote buying nga nitabo?
Kana nga issue walay klaro ebidensya. Mag-focus na sa atong progreso aron sa atong katilingban. Tama video ba? Gusto mo
So,
ba?
ano na, ay, sa yun. Ay, balik mo yun.
Maitong juday. Start ha. Ina. A true democracy isn't just about pure election. I wish that
Noy, we need answers. We cannot corruption wins. Ay, balik sa Noy. Salamat sa iyong pagsalig ug akong gisaad ninyo ang kalabuan sa ato ang Talingban.